Pixel 7 and 7 Pro has got its first update. Yes, the November security patch update. So in this video, I'll be talking about the changes that Google has made in the latest November security patch update, not only for the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, but in general, what are the changes that Google has made in the November security patch update for the Pixel smartphone. So watch this video till the end because it's going to be really useful. So if you don't know me yet, well, I'm the host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena. And by the way, just drop a like for this video if this video was useful, and also subscribe to our channel because I bring in a lot of interesting tech content. And also press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post any new video in my channel. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, so I've updated my Pixel 7 Pro to the latest security patch update, the November security patch update, and I did it manually by using ADB method. You can also do in the same way, but I would recommend you to wait for the update to roll down automatically into your smartphone. It will take a day or two because updates are generally rolled out in batch wise, so keep that in your mind. First, I'll be starting out with the fixes for the Pixel 7 series in the latest November security patch update. And the first and foremost fix that Google has done for the Pixel 7 series is the display power consumption issue. Now, if you don't remember, in my review video, I've also mentioned that the Pixel 7 Pro's display consumes extra power, that is up to 6 watts while used at peak brightness, which also results in more battery consumption. And this particular problem has been addressed according to the changelog of Google. So I guess the power consumption on the display has been fixed from what Google has said in its changelog. And by the way, if you didn't watch my Pixel 7 Pro's review, then just click the cards above and watch it so you will get an idea of what I'm talking about. Well, the Pixel 7 Pro has a display issue where it consumes up to 6 wattage while used in peak brightness, which results in battery drain. So this particular issue has been addressed from what I can see when I read the changelog. And apart from that, Google has also fixed another display issue which is related to green screen flicker while using certain applications in certain conditions. And yes, I faced that one time where I was seeing some photo or some video on my Pixel 7 Pro and suddenly the display was flickering in green color. So that particular issue has also been addressed according to the changelog of Google. And the third thing that Google has fixed for the Pixel 7 series is a crash while you use a certain editing feature on the Google Photos application. This has never happened to me, but it seems that there was an issue where while using certain editing feature on Google Photos, your phone will get crashed, and it seems from the changelog, as what I am able to understand, Google has addressed this particular issue for the Pixel 7 series. So these are the 3 minor fixes that Google has addressed in the November security patch update. And for the people who were eagerly waiting to use 5G on your Pixel device in India, it is a disappointment because the 5G update for Jio as well as Airtel is not present in the November security patch update. So as intended, it will be rolled out on the December feature drop, so you have to wait till that, or else you can wait until the next beta update for Android 13 comes. It might have the 5G update. So yeah, the November security patch update doesn't have 5G support for Indian users. Keep that in your mind. So now let's talk about the fixes for the Pixel 6 series, and it seems that there's only one fix, and it is also related to battery and power consumption. So in the Pixel 6 series, there was some power consumption issues while you use certain applications. So this particular issue has also been fixed according to the changelog of Google. So these are the fixes that Google has addressed for the Pixel smartphones in the latest November security patch update. So I will test my Pixel 7 Pro with this update on for the next few days and will let you know whether Google has fixed all these issues in the latest update or not. And to know that, you guys can follow me on Twitter. My Twitter ID will be popping out here somewhere in the screen. Just see that and follow me on Twitter so that I'll be updating about the status of the November security patch, whether Google has actually fixed those problems or not, or is it still underlying, or what are the new problems that is introduced in the November security patch update. So don't forget to follow me on Twitter. And by the way, do let me know whether you have faced any of this issue that was fixed by Google in the latest security patch update in the comment section below. And as always, if this video was useful, then don't forget to drop a like for this video, share this video with all of your friends, and also subscribe to Tech Arena because it helps me motivate, create better content. So this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one.